Good day kapwa kaguro! Magandang buhay sa lahat! Welcome back to my channel. This is your mom, Shiny Grace. For this vlog, I will discuss po kung paano po tayo makapag-register sa Virtual INSET by our Department of Education. Facilitated by the Educational Technology Unit. So, tuturuan ko rin po kayo kung ano yung step-by-step guide to claim your certificates. As you can see po, I already have the Certificate of Attendance and Certificate of Participation for the day 1 of the Virtual INSET. So, ano nga ba ang dapat natin gawin at kung saan website po tayo pupunta para po makapag-register, para po makita yung Virtual INSET at kung paano po natin makiklaim certificate. So, please stay tuned and just listen to this short video tutorial of how to register and to claim your certificates. So, yung Virtual INSET po natin is an activity that will be streamed live sa FB at sa YouTube channel ng DepEd EdTech Unit. So, just search po DepEd EdTech Unit sa YouTube or sa Facebook. So, our Virtual INSET po will also use the DepEd Professional Development Learning Management System or PDLMS to assess as teachers, as the participants, and we have to follow their policy that no output, no certificate. So, during the day 1 po, I will just share my experience that after watching the Virtual INSET or videos that they have shared, I just go to the PDLMS and then answer some reflections and quiz so that I can get the certificate. So, here's how to go to the Professional Development Learning Management System of DepEd. So, in your browser, whatever browser you are using, in your mobile phone or in your laptop, type https training.deped.gov.ph or just type training.deped.gov.ph. So, after yun na po ma-type, magre-reflect na po yung home screen ng DepEd Professional Development LMS natin. So, just click login po para makapag-register or makapag-login po kayo sa existing account yun na. So, as you can see po, the LMS requires username and password. So, kapag meron na po kayong existing account, you have to type in your username and password, then just click login. But, if you don't have any account sa DepEd LMS, please create or click the new account if you haven't registered before. But if meron na po kayo at nakalimutan nyo po yung username or password nyo, i-click nyo lang po yung forgotten your username or password. So, once successfully login or gusto nyo po mag-register ng account, yan po yung mga data na kailangan na dapat nyo pong i-fill up. Username, password, then email address, first name, last name, or city or town, then country. Then just click the create my new account. So yung required password po dito must at least have 8 characters, then 1 digit. Meron pong at least 1 lowercase, then may 1 uppercase, then at least 1 non-alphanumeric character like dash, Ganyan po, asterisk. So, if bago pa lang po kayo, I would like to recommend na i-take down or isulat niyo po talaga kung ano yung username at password niyo po dito para hindi niyo po makalimutan. So, once okay na po, click nyo lang po yung word na continue to confirm yung new account nyo. And then, once okay na po at na-complete na po yung registration nyo, na-confirm na po yan ng ating LMS, so just click again, continue. So, magre-reflect na po dyan yung inyong homepage or yung dashboard nyo ng account nyo. So, sa dashboard nyo po, para makapunta po kayo sa Virtual INSET, click nyo lang po yung dashboard, then go to courses, then click the ICT's Educational Technology Unit, then click Webinar Series 2021, then click INSET. Then click again, Enroll Me in this course. Yan po yung mga dapat nyo gawin. Again, click Dashboard, click Courses, click ICT's Educational Technology Unit, click Webinar Series 2021, click INSET, click Enroll Me in this course. So, yan na po kapag click nyo na po yung kanina na mga dapat i-click. So, lalabas po ito. So, meron pong enrollment key will be given on the first day of the INSET. So, yung enrollment key, kailangan nyo po dyan i-type. Kung saan po kayo region naka-base, yan po yung enrollment key na dapat yung ilagay dyan. So, in my case, dahil nasa region 6 po ako, yung tinype ko po dyan is region 6. So, again, kung saang region po kayo, dyan nyo po, ayan po yung gagamitin nyo as enrollment key. Kasi po sa profile natin, di ba, naka-indicate po kung saan po yung town tayo. So, malalaman po kung saang region na kayo. Mabe-verify din po. Okay. So, ito na po yung dashboard ko. So, quick dashboard po, my courses. So, dyan po, i-click po dapat natin yung INSET dito, di ba? So, makikita na po kapag maklik na po yun, ito na po yung lalabas na Virtual In-Service Training for Public School Teachers, March 2021. So, naka-indicate na po dito yung mga day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, at ang huli, another Certificate of Recognition for the 5-day training. But, di ba may bonus po? Every day, meron po talagang certificate. So, napaka-ganda po kapag mag-a-attend po tayo nitong Virtual INSET. Naka-attach na rin naman po dito yung memo eh. So, if i-click niyo po ang respective dates na yan, meron na po diyang lalabas na kung ano yung video na papanoorin nyo, at kung ano yung mga requirements or outputs na needed para po makakuha ng certificates. So, once na natapos yun na po answeran or masagutan yung mga outputs like reflections and quiz for that specific date, meron na pong i-generate automatically na certificate na pwede nyo na po ma-download readily or available na madadownload nyo po dyan sa inyong account. So, very easy lang po. So, meron po tayo mai-experience na lag and connectivity issues, but just be patient and just keep refreshing or i-click nyo po yung reload dyan sa inyong browser. So, as a tip or reminder, number 1, register early to avoid lag. And for your security purposes po, avoid being scammed by fake Google Forms, asking for your Gmail, password, and other sensitive information to get your certificate. Wala pong other forms na dinidistribute online. Dito lang po tayo dapat mag-register sa ating DepEd LMS para makakuha po ng certificate. So, ito lang po talaga yung website na dapat nyo puntahan para makakuha ng certificate. Wala na pong iba. So that's the end of our video tutorial. I hope this helped you a lot. So this is your Ma'am Shiny Grace. So ito po yung need nyo po. At least may evaluation form. Naka-fill up na rin po kayo. Then, yung quiz nyo po. So highest grade po, meron pong grade. So maka-click nyo na rin po yung mga available certificate nyo dyan. So that's the end of our short video tutorial of how to register and how to claim your certificate. I hope you will attend this virtual inset for you to gain some knowledge about current platforms that we can use for our synchronous and asynchronous learning, teaching and learning process. God bless everyone!